Alright, so this is how the linkage system goes together. The fingertip is part of the linkage system. This is one of the bars you're going to need. I'm using these temporary pins just to illustrate. I'm not going to glue these in quite yet. Still need to print some other things. Now, the next step is this piece right here. You want to make sure that you see how this part right here is a bit more caved in. Well, you're going to slide it in right through here. Pin that. Now, if you did it right, you should notice that this piece basically like hugs the radius of this other piece. It's a little bit hard to see because they're black. Sorry about that. Now, the next thing you're going to do is these pieces. These pieces are going to connect to both the front of the they're going to connect. It's going to connect those last two pieces together with pins. Now, like I said, it's all temporary, so it's falling apart. I'll show you a finished one after this. So when you put that in, then this piece is going to go in between the notches on that midsection. It'll go in. There we go. And then this piece is going to connect the two. Now this piece right here in the back, that's going to come forward and under, and then this piece right here is going to sit between the two and mount right in the middle there. And then this is falling apart because I'm videotaping and in an awkward position, but then it'll go right there. I know it doesn't seem like right now like it'll work, but that's why I actually do have my finished prototype of it, which is right here. And it works really well. Really smooth. And I only used a 30% fill on the actual plating, and it's still pretty hard. So how it works is you simply push forward to open the finger, and then you'll pull back to close the finger. This piece right here will be mounted. So that'll be kind of like mounted on a swivel, and then it'll just move forward and out. There's no springs or pulleys or anything like that in here. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, ask me. Now, if you do notice, there is actually a bit more. So the whole thing that I did show you, that was only one side. You're going to basically replicate it on the other side. So in order to build a finger, you're going to need just the linkage part. You're going to need the fingertip. You're going to need 2 finger extenders, is what I believe I called them. Fingertip extenders. And then you're going to need 1 mid-finger bar. The mid-finger bar is the one with this notch in it. And then I believe you're going to need 1 of these. It's the mid-finger extender. And then these are the base finger bars. You're going to need 2 of them. And then I believe I called these the control bars. And you're going to need 2 of these as well. So all in all, you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts, not including the 2 back plates. This back plate, right? So this mid finger plate, that actually fits on through holes, and is actually going to connect through the same holes through these holes in here. So it'll connect through those holes. But this back plate, I tried to attach it in a few different ways, but honestly, the best way that I've found is to just super glue it to these base bars. It's meant to fit real nicely on the base bars, but putting a pin in there, I find, just winds up making things more difficult, so I would just glue it on there. So, but yeah, that's how you do it. Hope my video was informative. Like I said, if you have any problems, go ahead and ask me, and I'll try to solve them. Anyway, have a good day. Bye.